We're gonna go down to Paso. Gonna go fly some drones with some friends, the Paso Drone Hive, and see what we come up with. This is over in the Franklin Mountains, so we should get some pretty good desert scenes. We'll see. Stay tuned. Doing the switcheroo, back on the road again, even though I got 2 days off. God, it feels like it's going to be an eternity off when you only get 34 hours. Life of a truck driver, right? Almost here. Going on Trans Mountain Road. See a lot of traffic up there at the park already, even though I'm an hour early for the meetup. I just want to get out there and get some flying time in. I haven't flown in 2 months since the last time I met up with these guys. Okay, got my $5 paid for my parking fee. Got my flight permit. I'm all good to go. I can fly anywhere, but they do have specific places where we can park. And you can fly over here. It's a 4-mile hike. Well, I can fly there. So, anyways.